Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the Milani Gilded Rouge eyeshadow palette. So I found this palette because I realized I don't have any drugstore eyeshadows, and in my previous video I wanted to do a full face using only drugstore products. So I went out and I was trying to find an eyeshadow palette, and this one caught my eye. Firstly because of the package, it just looked super circus-y theme to me. I don't know why. Packaging was really cool. I don't know, it just stood out. And then yeah, once I opened the palette, the actual colors inside, I realized it's actually an amazing palette. It looks so nice. It's a lot of pink, purple, blue eyeshadows, and then it's just mixed with more neutral orange and champagne color shadows. So I thought that was just super pretty, because when I looked at it I was like, it's so pretty. As a palette, it looked so pretty, the combination of the colors. So I got my palette at Ulta. I got it for $20, which is not bad at all for a 16 eyeshadow palette. You get a lot. You get a lot of shadows, and for the price, it's not bad at all. Milani is a drugstore brand that I personally love. I do use a lot of their blushes. I use their blushes, their bronzers. In the past, I owned a Milani Quad palette. I forgot what the name of it was, but it was this warm tone eyeshadows, and it was just a little a small four eyeshadow set palette. So that's why I was let me try to find a palette from Milani, because I knew that palette worked really well when I did have it. It was a little tiny compact one. The palette has 16 colors, so that's a lot. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So as you can see, it has a lot of pinks, which is what caught my eye. I love these vibrant pink colors. And then it has a lot of the blues. I've never had really nice blue eyeshadows, so I really want to try these out. And then it has these two metallic looking glitter shades, which I think look so sick, and I want to make sure that they work pretty well. Mostly the matte shades have a lot of fallout as opposed to the glittery shades. The glittery shades, they don't have as much fallout, but they are all super pigmented. I'm going to show you guys in the video later. But for example, this one, it's called Femme. It's a beautiful pink, vibrant pink color. This one down here. Literally with one swatch, you guys, it's crazy pigmented. And let me just put it on my hand to show you guys. This one comes out a little bit more dried glitter. I don't know how to explain it. It's just it really just sticks to your eyelid. But I noticed with this one, it is super pigmented, but you do have to swatch it maybe more than once to get it all over your eyelid if that's what you want. But yeah, but for the rest of the shades, the glittery shades, especially the one that I'm wearing on my eyelid, super pigmented. I'm gonna swatch a few of them for you guys just so you guys could see the quality. So here is a closer look of the eyeshadows, you guys. The shimmery ones are definitely super vibrant, especially this purple metallic glitter one. This is just one swatch and they are super pigmented. This last clip here really just shows the quality of the eyeshadows. If you guys want to see how I completed this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off with my crease, you guys, and I'm going to be using this matte pink, dusty rose pink color. It's called Sangria. I was highly surprised when I first put it on my eye because of how, just how vibrant it was. But yeah, it blends out super smoothly, as you can tell. But overall, it was the perfect shade for my crease. It really helped, just inspire the look that I was trying to go for. Okay, and now for my eyelid, I'm going to be taking the shade called Slow Burn. It is one of the more glittery shadows. It's the pink one. This shade is so vibrant, you guys. I fell in love with it immediately. I definitely wanted it to, you know, be as dramatic as it could be. So I may have dipped into my brush about 3 times just to really pick up the shadow. I just loved the pink so much. I didn't realize how much I would actually like pink eyeshadow on my eyelids because I'm so used to orange. But yeah, I really liked the shade. Alright, you guys, and then I'm just gonna go back in with my blending brush and just make sure everything is blended. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my crease and just make sure that both of the colors blend super seamlessly. And like I mentioned earlier, there is a little bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna take this powder brush and wipe it all away. Here I'm just gonna quickly line my lower lash line with the shade called Sangria. Next, I lost the footage to this, but I did use the shade called Carrot. It's the golden yellow shade. I did put that in my inner corner, in between my eyes. Okay, after I finished with my eyes, I did apply my eyeliner, and now I'm just gonna apply my mascara. I like to go in with my mascara, you guys, so I'm making sure that I apply a lot of coats to make my lashes look as falsies as possible. I just really love the look of long lashes. I just think it really brings out the whole look. And like I've said before, I don't wear fake lashes, so this is just my way of doing it. Okay, and lastly for my lips, to tie everything together, I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade called Nova. Alright, you guys, and after I've finished that, this is my completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was helpful to you guys. If you're interested in seeing more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.